these, then you will come to what is the highest temperature zone is which one? 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. Between which cycle? Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of, and between 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north, it is freezed zone. याद होगा आपको? Yes or not? Sun rays is not able to reach. So after Arctic Circle to the pole, can you explain how? कब होगा? When the sun is in the southern hemisphere. That northern region, this become what is in a frigid zone, and then similarly I said that this region become, I said, frigid zone. Understood it? And thereafter I said that जहाँ पे ना तो very high cold, not very high hot, it moderate temperature, this is known as a temperate zone. This is known as subtropical. ये सारे टेम्परेचर जोन नहीं है. टेम्परेचर जोन्स आर व्हाट? टोरिड, टेम्परेट and frigid, and the developed countries are in this region. Climate play some role to some extent, to higher extent, to some extent, and that is an important for deterministic school of geography. Determinism means, I said that nature determines, yes or not? Nature determines. So यहाँ पर लोग कैसे होते हैं? जब थ्रू आउट द ईयर टेम्परेचर अच्छा रहता है तो लोगों को काम करने में मस्ती आती है. सो देयर इज एन हार्ड वर्किंग पीपल. टेम्परेट जोन में कैसा होता है? इन द पर्सपेक्टिव इन ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी स्टडी, द पीपल आर व्हाट इज एन हार्ड वर्किंग पीपल. एंड कहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा गर्मी एंड ह्यूमिडिटी रहता है? टोरिड जोन. इन दिस जोन द पीपल आर व्हाट? इंटेलिजेंट एंड लेजी. वी आर इंटेलिजेंट एंड clear? That who determines? So this way we can, to some extent we can be able to say, I said that deterministic. लेकिन there is an आपको perspective में human geography में so many things, possibilism, probabilism, so many things are there, and तो कभी हो सकता है. तो एक what is the meaning of idealism and realism? What is the meaning of idealism and realism? What is idealism? What ought to be, but it cannot be. It is away from the realistic. It is away from the realistic. Idealism is away from the. So I said that Annie Besant has said once, we have I said that we have a very strong history. Ancient history is very strong, and we should go back. And then I am Tum Tum Wali. During the Home Rule movement, he said that I am Tum Tum Wali and I came here to wake up. तो वो इंडियंस को बोलती थी जगो लड़ो, get up and then fight. It is an idealistic thought. It is what I said that several philosophers in different revolution they have given and making the people to wake up. Idealistic thought जो unrealistic है लेकिन उसको achieve करना चाहिए. तो idealistic thought and that is an realism. तो हम लोग ये जो हम deterministic को जो बताया, it lies between idealism and realism. It lies not completely reality, it not completely idealistic. तो दोनों के बीच में lie करता है. So not it is an actual, not it is an so these are the temperate zone. तो temperature zone को determine करेंगे कब? ये जो 4 circles को define करेंगे. Yes or not? So if the question comes for the temperature zone, this is the question. And I have given one question, do that. When the earth is tilted by 10 degree, then find out, बताया था मैंने, temperature zone. Find out the temperature zone when the earth is tilted by 10 degree. Do it fast, only 2 minutes I am giving.